Hello dear students, in this class today we will be dealing about doctors. Okay, we will be dealing with doctors. So to begin with, let us first talk about dermatologist. DERMATOLOGist. You know, derma, here this is a Greek word, derma, DERMA. Derma means skin. So naturally, doctor, dermatologist is a skin doctor. Skin, DOCTOR. This is a Greek word. Derma means you must have read or heard the advertisement. Dermy, cool. Now another word. Let us talk about gynecology. GYNAECOLOGIST. Gynecologist. Here again GYNE, gyne means woman. So naturally gynecologist is a woman doctor. Woman, DOCTOR. I mean, woman doctor means a doctor meant for the woman disease. Gynecologist is a doctor meant for the woman disease. So now again, another there is another word related to gynecologist. This is obstetrics. The third one is obstetrics, TRICIAN. Obstetrics is a science of, it is the science or the study of women and related problem, and the doctor is obstetrician. Obstetrician is a, obstetrics, OBSTTRICS. Obstetrics is the branch of medicine. Branch of medicine that is related to childbirth. Obstetrician or gynecologist in modern day, gynecologist and obstetrician are the, both of them, the gynecologist also study obstetrics, the science of study of childbirth. So nowadays, gynecologists, they know much about the obstetrics. Gynecologist is, in most of the cases, gynecologists are also obstetrician. Now fourth one, cardiologist. DOLOGIST. Cardia, again this is a cardia, KARDIA. Cardia is a Greek word. It is a, again, Greek word. Cardia means heart, HEART. So cardiologist is a doctor related with heart diseases. A heart doctor, you may say, a doctor doctor related to heart, DISEASE. Okay, now fourth one we will be doing. The fourth one is, then this is the fifth one. Okay, now fifth one, ophthalmology, OPTHA, ophtha, MOLOGI, ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is a person skilled in optics. Ophthalmologist is a person skilled in optics, OPTICS, optics related to lens and all these. So ophthalmologist is an eye doctor, or it is a doctor, a doctor for eye and eye disease, a doctor for eye disease, IDISEASE. So a doctor for eye disease is called ophthalmologist. Again there is another word related to this one, is optician. Number 6, optician, OPTCIAN. Optician, a person who makes and supplies or sells the lenses. Optician is a person who sells or supplies, SUPPLIES, supplies lenses, LENSES, lenses. So optician is not a doctor, rather optician is a seller. Optician is a seller of lens. In short, you can say seller of lenses, LENSES. So optician is a seller. A doctor for eye is ophthalmologist. He is not an optician. The work of an optician is to sell only lenses or supply lenses, nothing more than that. जो चश्मा का दुकानदार होता है, they are optician, they are not ophthalmologist. Okay, is it clear now? Now another sentence we will be doing is another doctor, that is number 7. Number 7 is pediatrician, pediatrician. Okay, here again this is a Greek word. Which word? This word has been derived from, the root is Greek. Pedias, PAIDOS, pedios means boy. Pedios means boy or child. What is the meaning of pedios? Pedios means boy or child. So naturally a pediatrician is a doctor, a child doctor, a doctor for children's disease. Pediatrician is a doctor of CHILDREN, children's disease, DISEASE. Pediatrician is a is a doctor of children's disease. Is it clear now, dear students? Okay, now there are different kind of doctors. Now another doctor is gerontologist. Number 8. Number 8. Gerontologist. What is gerontologist? You know, Geronson, there is a poem by T.S. Eliot. There is a poem by a poet, very famous poet called T.S. Eliot. He wrote a poem, it is called Geronson. So, gerontologist is a doctor for old people. Old people and their disease, D-I-S-E-A-S-E. So today we have discussed so many kinds of doctors. The first one was dermatologist. Dermatologist is a skin doctor. Derma means skin. Gynecologist, gyne means woman. Okay, the word, this is the root word. Gyne means woman. So a doctor, woman doctor, a doctor meant for woman disease is called a doctor meant for woman disease is called gynecologist. Another is obstetrician, is a doctor related to childbirth. Obstetrician is a doctor related with childbirth. Another doctor is cardiologist. Cardia means heart. So heart doctor is a doctor meant for heart disease are called cardiologist. Another one, ophthalmologist. Okay, now ophthalmologist. Ophtha means eye. Ophtha means eye. Okay, so a doctor for eye diseases, they are called ophthalmologist. Another is optician. You know, optics means lenses. So a person who sells the lenses, are called optician. And the other one is, the seventh one is pediatrician. Pediatrician is a doctor for children. A child's doctor, children doctor is called pediatrician. Pediatrics. Pedia means, pedios means, it is a Greek word. Pedios means boy or child. Another is gerontologist. Geronson means old people. Okay, so a doctor for old people and their diseases are called gerontologist. That's all for today. Thank you.